Hi everyone, we're back again. I finally got the Sephora Play Box, Play by Sephora. So we're gonna open it together. Let's see. How do you open this thing? It's got a sticker on it. Keep it shut. All right. Look at Play by Sephora, Beauty Schooled, August 2018. So this has got a bunch of information in it and all the stuff. Oh, the little bag is cute. We got a cute little bag today. It says back to beauty school because kids are getting ready to go back to school. All right, what is the first thing we have? We have a Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's a clear brow gel. Ooh. Not sure. Maybe it'll keep my brows flat instead of being all over the place. We have Genifique by Lancome. And this one is a advanced youth activating concentrate. Oh, that's a little dropper. It's cute. It's cute. What else is in here? We have a Makeup Forever Artist Rogue Cream. Is this a lip shade? I think so. Yep, in the shade Rogue Cream. Let's swatch it. That's not bad. It's not bad. Let's see, what else do we have in here? We have a Way Volume Spray by Way Hair Care. We have a Glow 2 Highlight by Crate London. I can't get it out of the box. There we go. In Moon Dust. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of got a shiny hue to it. It's pretty. It's not too sparkly. It's a little sparkly, but not too bad. Let's see. And the last thing I got here is Way Hair Care Shampoo and Conditioner for Repair. Samples. Never tried Way Hair Care products. I'm not too sure about the volume spray. I have enough hair, but you're supposed to spray damp hair. That was all we got in our Sephora Play. Let's see. Doesn't tell me the prices. Nope. It's got a big thing with everything that you got in it and ways to use it. It's pretty neat, I guess. I'm not sure if it's worth the $10 a month, though. These are some pretty tiny, tiny, tiny packaging. The Way bottle isn't so bad, but some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills product isn't so bad. But a lot of these, and this isn't bad either, but these are tiny. I know lipsticks can last a long time, especially if you don't use them very often. So, I mean, I guess you get quite a bit in there. And I don't know how much of this you're supposed to use. I know I'm not that old, but getting there. And these wrinkles and these fine lines sometimes. And if I could find something that works the best for these under eyes, oh, things would be amazing. But thank you for watching, and I do get the 50 Sephora Play points, yay, and my Beauty Insider. So, if you think this is worth it, let me know down below. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more unboxings. I still have a BoxyCharm coming this month and the Ipsy. So, as soon as I get them, I will be posting another video. Have a good day. Bye!